Hi mga sexy love, it's Sashna baby. I'm a vlogger, influencer, actress, and I am CEO of Estay Miss Flawless. I have good news for you.
Those doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hi mga sexy love, it's Sashna baby. I'm a vlogger, influencer, actress, and I am CEO of Estay Miss Flawless. I have good news for you. Alam naman natin na during this pandemic, marami talaga nag-struggle, hindi lang sa mental health, meron din sa financially. Good thing, meron tayong RoboCash. So si RoboCash offers you loan through their application. So if Android user ka, you can download their application through Google Play. And if iOS user ka naman, you can access them through their website. Sobrang generous ni RoboCash. Magkakaroon tayo ng exciting raffle from March 1 to 31 na pwede kang manalo na tumataginting 25,000 pesos. You just need to apply a loan through the app or RoboCash website. Then isend nyo lang ito sa Get Discount at then yung email title na ilalagay nyo is Insta25,000. Make sure yung email na gagamitin nyo is parehas dun sa email na ginamit nyo sa website at yung mananalo ay i-announce doon sa mga social media accounts nila at robocash.ph o kayo sa kanila para updated kayo sa lahat ng mga posting nila dahil baka mamaya ikaw na yung mananalo tapos hindi ka pala nakafollow sa kanila kaya i-follow mo na. So, thank you! MJ, Tabia, Maria, hi, thank you! Turon and Puto. Hi mga sexy love! So namimigay ngayon ng 25,000 pesos si RoboCash. So nag-post ako about dyan. Makikita nyo yun sa post ko dito sa Instagram.